Okay, paano nga ba natin sagutin ang ating given na to? We have 2 raised to 13x plus 3 equals 16 raised to x plus 3. Paano natin sagutin ito? Okay, ito ay tinatawag nating exponential equation. Okay, ang gagawin mo lamang, okay, tingnan natin. Meron tayong base na 2 at meron tayong base sa kanan na 16. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, kailangan natin i-balanse or balansihin yung ating dalawang base para ma-cancel natin ang ating base. Okay, paano yon? Kung ang nasa left side ay 2, ang base, ito naman ay 16, ang 16 ay i-rewrite muna natin sa exponential form. Ano yung equivalent exponential form ng 16? Na ang base ay 2. Okay, possible na siya ay 2 raised to 4. Okay, tama. 16 is equivalent to 2 raised to 4. What will happen? Since 16 raised to x plus 3, magiging 2 raised to 4, 4 yung ating exponent times the quantity of x plus 3. Okay, pwede na ngayon natin kansilin ang ating base na 2. Okay, pwede na nating ibaba ang ating exponents sa left at saka sa right. Okay, bring down 13x plus 3 equals 4 times x plus 3. Okay, then simplify na natin. Nagkaroon ngayon tayo ng linear equation. Okay, anong gagawin natin sa linear equation? I-solve lang natin, i-simplify natin para makuha natin ang value ng x variable. Okay, tuloy lang natin. 13x plus 3 equals 4 times quantity of x plus 3. Okay, what will happen? 13x plus 3 equals 4 times 3. 4 times x, that is 4x, plus 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay, that will become 4x plus 12. Next, equate natin. Okay, pwede tayong mag-additive inverse o pwede tayong gumamit ng pinakamadaling alam nating transposition method. Okay, 13x minus 4x, iniliban na natin sa equal sign, magpapalit tayo ng sign. 13x minus 4x equals 12 minus 3. That's why we have 9x equals 9. Then divide both sides by linear coefficient, we have 9. Divide both sides by 9. 9x equals 9 divided by 9. X equals 9 divided by 9. The answer is 1. Therefore, the value of x here is 1. Ngayon naman, pwede nating i-check kung ang value ng x natin, which is 1, ay tama sa ating original given. Okay, ang ating original given, 2 raised to 13x plus 3 equals 16 raised to x plus 3. Substitute lang natin ang nakuha nating value ng x, which is 1. Okay, magiging 2 raised to 13 times 1 plus 3 equals 16 raised to 1 plus 3. Okay, what will happen? 2 raised to, that is 13 plus 3 equals 16 raised to 1 plus 3. Or which is 4. Okay, what will happen? Next, we have 2 raised to 16 equals 16 raised to 4. Okay, now, 2 raised to 16 equals, change nga natin sa exponential form ang 16, that is equivalent to 2 raised to 4. 4, may exponent pa sa taas na 4. 4 times 4, that is 2 raised to 16 equals 2 raised to 4 times 4 is 16. Therefore, that is equal. 2 raised to 16 equals 2 raised to 16. Therefore, our value of x is correct.